Hey, car enthusiasts! Ever wondered what a $30 million car collection looks like? Well, you're in for a ride. Today, we're diving into the world of Steve Hamilton and the Hamilton Collection, a legendary hub for some of the most mind-blowing cars on YouTube. Steve, the guy behind the wheel, needs no introduction in the automotive community. From letting high schoolers take his supercars to graduation to using his hypercars like they're meant to be used, he's the car legend we all wish we knew. So buckle up as we take you through the wheels that make the Hamilton Collection an absolute car paradise. The legend behind the wheels. Now, why is Steve Hamilton the talk of the town in the car world? It's not just about the collection, it's about how he shares the car love. Picture this: 16 high schoolers cruising to graduation in his supercars, no supervision needed. That's Steve, breaking the hypercar owner stereotype. Unlike others who keep these beasts as museum pieces, he throws them into the wild. These cars aren't just for show, they're meant to feel the road. Steve's charm is in making the automotive community feel like family. He's not the distant owner. He's the guy next door with a fleet worth more than most neighborhoods. Cars from the Hamilton Collection. Now, let's talk about the real stars of the show, the cars. The Hamilton Collection isn't just a garage, it's a supercar paradise worth over $30 million. First up, we've got the 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster. Picture a $3 million beast with a bold red interior, going 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds. Next, there's the Bugatti Chiron 2019, a one-of-a-kind ride featured in viral videos, including a $50,000 driveway mishap. Then, we step into the sinister realm with the 2015 Ferrari LaFerrari, part of the Holy Trinity. With a 950 BV12 hybrid engine, it's a track weapon in a black suit. Now, let's peek under the hood of what the car enthusiasts call the Holy Trinity in the Hamilton Collection. The 2014 McLaren P1 is a rarity, marked as the 028375 in striking volcano red. It's not just about the numbers 903 pop and 664 pound-feet of torque, it's the raw, visceral experience that sets it apart. Modifications, including Vossen wheels and a Valvetronic straight-pipe exhaust, add a personal touch. The Porsche 918 Spyder Weissach Package 2015 is no ordinary hypercar. With its gray finish and guards red accents, it sheds 90 elbs for a sprint to 60 miles per hour that even leaves the LaFerrari in the dust. Now, let's hit rewind and step into a piece of history with the 1983 Cadillac Fleetwood Limo in the Hamilton Collection. This gray beauty is not your typical speed demon. It's a time capsule from the 80s, proudly sporting a THC VIP vanity plate. Imagine a blue cloth interior, complete with a tube TV that still works. This isn't just a car, it's a portal to the era of cassette tapes and neon lights. Steve's got plans for this slow cruiser. A heart transplant with an LS swap is on the horizon. Shifting gears from classic charm to modern muscle, we find the workhorse of the Hamilton Collection, the 2022 Lamborghini Urus. This isn't your typical Lambo. It's a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 beast with 4 seats and a penchant for daily adventures. Colored in the popular Verde Mantis green, it's not just eye candy, it's the practical choice for Steve's daily grind. With DNA shared with Audi cars, it's not just a showpiece, it's a reliable companion hitting the streets day in and day out. So, while the other hypercars might have their shining moments, the Urus quietly takes the lead in being the collection's go-to ride. Next up, we have the 2021 Rezvani Hercules Military Edition 6x6. This isn't your everyday ride. It's a $500,000 beast with a mission bulletproof and bomb-proof. With door panels and windows tough enough to make James Bond jealous, this 6x6 isn't just an off-roader, it's a fortress on wheels. And the features: brace yourself, a siren, a public announcement system, military-grade run-flat tires, and a smoke screen for those dramatic exits. But what makes this behemoth move? A 7.0-liter supercharged V8 with a jaw-dropping 1,300 horsepower. It's not just a car, it's a tank with a touch of style. Next, we have another classic, the 2006 Ford GT. Painted in a classic red with white stripes, this isn't just a car, it's a symbol of enduring style. Sporting the SRI Enzo plates, it's more than a nod to the past, it's a tribute to automotive legends. Under the hood, you've got a supercharged 5.4 liters V8 making 550 horsepower. It's not just about power, it's about the thrill that takes you from 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds. As the second-to-last car in the 2004-06 run, this Ford GT is not just aging, it's becoming a $1 million masterpiece in the Hamilton collection. The next car is from the 1987 Lamborghini Countach LP 500S. This isn't just a car, it's an icon dressed in triple white, the Wolf of Wall Street spec that turns heads even today. Originally imported from England, it underwent a rebirth by Evans Automotive in Columbus, Ohio. The result? A Countach that not only roars with a 4.8-liter V12 engine, but also boasts a custom Craveseg exhaust, adding a unique symphony to its legend. With just 321 LP500S cars ever built, this Countach stands out, especially in its pristine, all-white attire. Maintaining a Countach isn't a stroll in the park, but in the Hamilton collection, it's not just a challenge, it's a testament to preserving automotive history. And there you have it, folks. We've taken a ride through the Hamilton collection, exploring a car haven like no other. From hypercar thrills to classic charms, Steve Hamilton's garage is a treasure trove of automotive wonders. But this isn't the end of the road, it's just the beginning. The Hamilton collection is ever evolving, with new stories and cars waiting to join the lineup. So, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey. Like, because, let's be honest, these cars deserve all the likes in the world. Buckle up, stay tuned, and until next time, keep the passion for cars alive.